Grand Bahama Island is ranked number 3 in Hurricane City's top 50 most impacted by tropical systems. Grand Bahama Island has a rich hurricane history with numerous devastating hurricanes. Some of the most powerful are the 1928 hurricane, which passed just south with 150-mile-per-hour winds. Roads were completely washed out, most homes destroyed or severely damaged. 4 years later, in 1932, a Category 5 hurricane skirts just east, but the western core of the hurricane badly impacted Grand Bahama Island. Recent major hurricanes include Matthew in 2016 that hit with 140-mile-per-hour winds on October 6th, causing heavy damage. On western Grand Bahama Island, it is estimated that 95% of the homes in the townships of 8 Mile Rock and Holmes Rock sustained severe damage. 3 years later, in 2019, on September 2nd, Hurricane Dorian hits the entire island as a Category 5 hurricane with 165-mile-per-hour winds while moving very slowly to the west. It then stalled, hitting the island hard for over 24 hours. At Settlement Point on the western tip of Grand Bahama Island, they measured a water level of 6.4 feet above mean high water. 11 people lost their lives in Grand Bahama Island. The Bahamas Weather Service also reported that there were as many as 245 people missing at the time of their report throughout the Bahamas. Bahamas Minister of Agriculture Michael Pintard shared a video on Twitter of seawater entering his house in the Margot City area of Freeport, reaching his kitchen windows, which he estimated to be a minimum of 20 feet above ground level. Author Wayne Neely has a book with the eyewitness accounts of this devastating hurricane in the Bahamas available on Amazon.